Hi, Zilla. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So today I'm back again and we are taking a tour to the Obosomase waterfall in the eastern region of Ghana. And currently we're in Odu and we're buying palm wine, fresh palm wine to taste. It takes about 5 minutes drive to Obosomase and we are right here at the junction, and from this junction, if you are to walk to where the waterfall is, it will take you about 25 minutes to get there. They don't have a lot of signposts, so you'd have to keep asking people which turn to take. So we kept asking people along the way to give us directions to the place. It's tarred halfway and the rest is untarred. To get to the Obosomase township from Accra, it will take you about 40 minutes to get there, and it's approximately about 5 minutes drive from Ebri township. It is quite a distance from the roadside. You can drive, you can ride a bicycle, or you can hike from the roadside. One can hire a bicycle from the Ebri Botanical Gardens to Obosomase, or you can come with a quad bike. There are companies that have those activities. One can hire a bicycle from the Ebri Botanical Garden to the waterfall. We parked all the way up, and we knew it was quite a distance because we're not so familiar with the road and there was no one to ask for directions. So it took us about 20 minutes to walk from where we parked to the waterfall. And as we got closer, we kept descending. It is quite a deep descent, so we have to wear the right footgear to be able to get to your destination safely without slipping. And one would also need a mosquito repellent or insect repellent because there are a lot of insects there that bite and they are very painful. It is also quite a lonely walk from the roadside to where the waterfall is. One can also have a tour guide show you around, but it's not compulsory, it's optional.
Okay.
And I also understand that you can also do hiking here from the Adom Waterfall to Chenku Waterfall at a fee. It takes about 2 hours 30 minutes from the Adom Waterfall to Chenku Waterfall, and I understand they derive the water from the same source. As we're descending to the waterfall, we met a group of people returning from the fall.
Wow.
I was supposed to change my footwear, but I actually forgot, and it was quite difficult walking on the gravel because the base or the sole of my footwear was very smooth. This is the entrance to the Adom Waterfall, and it's 20 cedis per head. When we got there, we're told that there's an upper fall and a lower fall. And since we got there late, we're advised to go to the bigger fall, that's the lower fall, before coming to the upper fall. Guys, I understand there are two waterfalls. They have the big and then the small one. So we'll go to the big one first and we'll go to the small one. This is the small one. I don't know if you can see it from here. Wow. What's this? But people don't walk on it, right? So this is a canopy walk, but it is not allowed to walk on it. So we are going to the very big one because of time. It's getting late. We got here pretty late. So we are going to check that one out before we come to the smaller one because that one is closer. See ya. In the patch path where you're going. And then come to the waterfalls. But it's 20 Ghana cedis and it takes 2.5 hours to do the hiking. To hike, I think it's 50 Ghana cedis for the tour guide for just a person, one person. Yes, so it takes 2.5 hours to hike. So I think that's a different fee from the gate fee. Is that right? Yeah. To have 20, now we're saying to have 50 Ghana for the hiking.
And then the hiking here for another waterfalls. In some waterfalls, you do our own gate fee.
Okay, okay. So I understand that when you hike, you go to another waterfall, and because you've already paid the 50 Ghana cedis, you don't need to pay gate fee for that particular waterfall. Which waterfall your friend is saying? Oh, yeah, it's called Chenku Waterfalls. I think that's in Dodowa. Yeah, so I think from this side, it links directly to Dodowa. So if you want to do that, you can also try it. So if you want to do the hiking, then I believe you don't have to come with a car. Oh, guys, please help me apologize to my friend. She's very angry with me. She didn't know we're going to suffer this much. I'm even tired myself, but I'm enjoying something. You guys have to come and help me all the way to the top. I'm already dreading my journey back to the top and climbing back to where we parked. Ha! Oh, that's my friend. To be honest, this particular waterfall is amazing. It looks very nice. I really underestimated this and I wasn't really expecting to see this. But upon seeing it, I was out by the way it was. It's quite different from most of the other waterfalls that I've been to. And I was really impressed. You need to be careful when you are walking on the rocks because they can be quite slippery. You can just look at the water. It's so clean. And I understand it's about 4 feet deep. I really wanted to jump into this water, but it was so cold. It was very cold and it looked like a pool, honestly. But the next time I come here, I just pray that it's not very cold. I'll take a swim.
You have to pass the water inside. Okay.
Oh, thank you. So we climbed all the way back to the top to check out the upper fall, and there's a swing there. So I decided to swing a bit before checking it out. This place is so cool and it should be on your bucket list. Hey, I go by 4 to climb from here.
Okay, use the rope.
I can use the rope. So guys, this is the upper falls. The water is so clear. It's very clean. You can swim inside. Ha! So we'll call it a day. How do you get there? You have to hold the rope again.
Thank
You
you
have to hold the
so
rope again.
much, guys, for sticking with me till the end. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you and I appreciate you always. And if you are new here, kindly do well to share, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell so that each time I post, you'll be notified. Thank you and I love you all. Bye.